Hello team, welcome to the channel Year of Big Tech. Today we will see how to copy the text from image and videos on laptop. So let's start. So go to the search box of the Windows and search the snipping tool. It will be already installed in the Windows. So then select the image here, then take new. So I'll copy this much only. So how much data I would like to copy? Select that one, create like this image. So it will take that much data only. Then go to this tab button text action. It will select one square box. Then copy all text. Go to so it's copied all text. You go to the notepad wherever you would like to copy and just paste it here. So you will see all data here. The arrest no one, saw coming, live breaking news. So if you go here, the arrest no one, saw coming, US breaking news. That's it. You have to do. Thank you.